Hello, my name is MJ Ponce, and I am a social media marketing expert with additional experience in data entry and administrative support. I have experience helping businesses manage and grow their online presence through social media content creation, post scheduling, copywriting, and engagement focused strategies. I focus on creating clear, consistent, and professional content that aligns with brand voice and attracts the right audience. Aside from social media marketing, I also have strong experience in data entry and administrative tasks. I'm highly organized and detail-oriented, which allows me to accurately handle data management, file organization, report encoding, and other back office support tasks with efficiency and precision. I am also comfortable using tools like Canva, CapCut, or anything for graphic designs, Google Workspace for documentation, ChatGPT, also various social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn for management and posting. Um, what makes me strong? What makes me a strong candidate are my ability to combine both that structure. I can handle both marketing sides and actually administrative sides like organizing data and supporting day-to-day operations. Also, I am a fast learner, very adaptable and able to work independently with minimal supervision while still ensuring quality and output and meeting deadlines. I am currently looking for a role where I can contribute my skills in both social media marketing and administrative support to help a team stay organized, consistent, and active online. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with you.